What if I told you you can build a fully working app just by describing it? No code, no team, just AI. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 tools that you can use to build an app or a software, all just by using AI. So let's get started. So the first thing is AI development is not replacing developers or designers. What it's doing is it's allowing anybody, whether you're a creator, a business owner, whether you're someone in school, no matter who you are, you can now create a mobile application or a web-based application or any software that you can think of just by coming up with the idea and using AI. So let's jump into it further. So once again, you can build software that you can use for your internal use. You could build SaaS applications that allow you to sell it to businesses or users. You could do so many different things with AI and without even having to know how to code using these 5 AI tools we're going to actually cover in this video. So once again, AI, it's allowing, empowering users just like yourself to create these applications even if you don't know how to code or develop or design anything. So the first tool that we're actually going to cover is called Base 44. And Base is a true prompt to app builder. You can basically essentially describe what you want and then it'll build it. And say you want to build a business directory or a social network or some sort of internal tool. Well, all you have to do is prompt Base 44 to do that and it'll go build it for you. Think of AI and Base 44 as meeting Webflow and Firebase and connecting them into one. That's essentially Base 44. The next tool is actually DreamFlow. DreamFlow is built on FlutterFlow and it's perfect for building mobile applications, all using AI. Once again, just like Base 44, all you have to do is tell it what you want and it'll generate the full mobile app for you. And the cool part is with all of these tools, if it doesn't generate exactly what you're looking for the first time, you can actually go in and prompt it and tell it, hey, make this update, change this, change that, and actually update and build your application or software out to how you essentially liked it. It's one of the best tools, speaking of DreamFlow and FlutterFlow, to build iOS and Android mobile applications. The next tool we're going to look at is called Lovable. Now, Lovable is one of the most popular platforms out there and essentially takes prompt to app in the fastest time possible. Once again, you can basically give it a prompt and tell it what sort of application you want to build, and Lovable will go do and build just that. You literally have to just come up with the idea, and then from there, Lovable takes over. The next software we're actually going to look at and talk about is called Bolt. Bolt lets developers and advanced users describe the features in natural language and instantly creates a working React or Node code application. It's perfect if you want powerful and flexibility with AI speed when you're developing some sort of application. The 5th tool we're actually going to talk about and look at is Replit. Now, Replit is its kind of first AI grade. It's a ghostwriting AI tool where it allows you to build, fix, and explain code all in real time. So once again, you can prompt it and then it'll go build it. And with all of these tools, once again, you can see the code, you can edit the code, and you can build off of the first generation just by telling it what to actually go and do. So once again, none of these tools are completely erasing the need for designers or developers. It is just assisting in making applications and making software faster and more affordably than ever. So I challenge you, do you have an app idea or a software idea? Well, head over to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to actually give me a prompt that I can take to an app builder to actually build this type of application. Then once you have that prompt for the application or software that you want to build, take it to one of the 5 tools that we just covered in this video and actually upload it and see what it does. You'll be amazed. Subscribe for more digital innovation tips, software, and tricks that you should check out for the upcoming future, all based around AI. Have any questions? Comment them below.